everyone, we are from Group 8 Interpreting Project. We want to present to you about an example of interpreting in real life. So we're going to show you about the Field for Press Conference. But first of all, let us introduce ourselves and role in this simulation.
My name is Dia Palamasari as S1 Scarlett Johansson.
My name is Nizar Salamalaika as Cast 2 Robert Downey Jr.
My name is Penny Ragnesvi as the host and the interpreter of the journalist.
Hello, I am Yugisti Azmanabila as an interpreter of Cast 1 Scarlett Johansson.
Hello, my name is Febri Rahmawati as second interpreter Case 2 Robert Downey Jr.
Hello, my name is Mariza Irunasari as an Indonesian journalist from Star News. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Siti Sauda as Indonesian journalist from CNN.
Okay, so that's all. So let's start to the video.
Hi everyone, my name is Penny Ragnesvi. I'm your host today. Before we start, I have invited a team of journalists from Indonesia, Mariza from Star News and Siti Sauda from CNN News. Also, we had an interpreter here, Febri and Yugistia, where I will also speak a little Indonesian to translate what the journalist said. And now, it's my great pleasure to introduce you to the cast of Black Widow, which tells the story about Natasha Romanoff, aka Black Widow, confronts the darker parts of Legers when a dangerous conspiracy with ties to her past arises. Pursued by a force that will stop at nothing to bring her down, Natasha must deal with her history as a spy and the broken relationship left in her wake long before she became an Avenger. Joining us today, please welcome the cast of Black Widow, Robert Downey Jr. and Scarlett Johansson.
Hello.
Hi everyone, my name is Scarlett Johansson as Natasha Romanoff, aka Black Widow. Nice to see you all.
Hi folks, I'm Robert Downey Jr. as Tony Stark aka Iron Man in Black Widow movie. I'm so glad to meet you all in this virtual press conference. I hope you are always healthy and keep looking up in this pandemic.
Hi guys, glad to see you all here. Okay, first of all, I want to say congratulations to your film release. We're super excited to have this film here because Marvel fans must wait a long time for this Black Widow solo films.
Yeah, thanks a lot. We are also super excited.
Okay, now let's start with the Q&A from the journalists who have collected some questions about this film. Untuk para jurnalis, saya persilakan untuk bertanya.
Halo, saya Mariza. Saya jurnalis Indonesia dari Star News. Saya ingin bertanya, berapa lamakah pembuatan film ini? Terima kasih.
Terima kasih untuk pertanyaannya. So the journalist says this question is for Robert. How long is this movie filming?
Okay. I think it's around 1 year. I guess it's 1 month of reading the script, and then the second one until the 5 month we start practicing our action scene. It took more time because it's very difficult to do. Overall, it's a great pleasure to be part of this movie.
Saya pikir ini sekitar 1 tahun, 1 bulan membaca skrip, dan kemudian di bulan kedua hingga kelima kami mulai berlatih dengan aksi. Butuh lebih banyak waktu karena sangat sulit untuk dilakukan. Secara keseluruhan, saya sangat senang menjadi bagian dari film ini.
Halo, saya Siti Sauda, jurnalis Indonesia dari CNN. Mau bertanya, bagaimana karakter Black Widow ini? Terima kasih.
Terima kasih atas pertanyaannya. This question is for Scarlett. So how about this Black Widow character?
You know that Natasha Romanoff is a spy that have nickname Black Widow. Black Widow is a strong character. She good at fighting and a good marksman with 2 guns. Although Black Widow is not like other Avengers who have powers, but Black Widow is a superhero that cannot be underestimated. She can do a lot more than shoot people. She is proficient in almost every kind of martial art, and she even doesn't need a weapon when she won't take someone down. And this film Black Widow will tell the life journey of Natasha Romanoff before being recruited by Nick Fury to join the SHIELD. It can be said about Natasha Romanoff past.
Seperti yang Anda ketahui bahwa Natasha Romanoff adalah seorang mata-mata yang memiliki nama panggilan Black Widow. Black Widow merupakan tokoh yang kuat. Ia bagus dalam berkelahi dan pandai dalam menjadi seorang penembak jitu dengan 2 senapan. Walaupun ia tidak seperti anggota Avengers lainnya yang memiliki kekuatan, Black Widow adalah superhero yang tak bisa diremehkan. Ia bisa melakukan banyak hal lebih dari sekadar menembak orang. Ia pandai pada hampir setiap jenis bela diri. Black Widow bahkan tidak memerlukan senjata bila ia ingin mengalahkan seseorang. Film Black Widow ini akan menceritakan perjalanan hidup dari Natasha Romanoff sebelum ia direkrut oleh Nick Fury untuk bergabung di S.H.I.E.L.D. Bisa dikatakan, film ini menceritakan masa lalu dari Natasha Romanoff.
Saya ingin bertanya lagi, berapa lamakah waktu Anda untuk berlatih adegan action ini? Terima kasih.
This question is for Scarlett to Sage. How long does it take to practice action scenes?
The action scenes are quiet enough to do because besides to have to look natural when showing action performance, I also have to adjust my facial and try to memorize our movements that sometimes endanger me and co-stars. To practice it took 4 months, and during training, my body must be fit and strong because the scenes are quiet enough to do, such as fighting while flying, passing bombs, and so on.
Adegan-adegan actionnya cukup sulit untuk dilakukan karena selain saya harus terlihat natural ketika memerankan adegan action, saya juga harus menyesuaikan ekspresi wajah dan mencoba untuk mengingat gerakan action yang terkadang membahayakan saya atau lawan main saya. Untuk berlatih adegan action ini menyita waktu sebanyak 4 bulan. Selama waktu latihan, tubuh saya harus dalam keadaan fit dan kuat karena adegan-adegannya cukup ekstrim untuk dilakukan, seperti berkelahi saat terbang, melewati ledakan bom, dan sebagainya.
Baik, ini pertanyaan selanjutnya. Sebelum membaca skrip filmnya, apakah Anda membaca terlebih dahulu komiknya? Terima kasih.
Last question ends for Robert. Before reading the script of the film, did you read the comic first?
Yeah, sure. I read most of Marvel comic, and I don't even expect in the future I will be a part of Marvel. And actually, before we start filming this movie, we read a comic of Black Widow for give us more imagination when we start filming. Because this film tells about Natasha past, how she joined S.H.I.E.L.D., how she first met Tony Stark, and then the other members of the S.H.I.E.L.D. By reading the comic first, we can get a lot of ideas how to play our role.
Ya, tentu. Saya membaca sebagian besar komik Marvel. Dan saya bahkan tidak menyangka di masa depan saya akan menjadi bagian dari Marvel. Dan sebenarnya, sebelum kita mulai syuting film ini, kita membaca komik Black Widow untuk memberi kita lebih banyak imajinasi ketika kita mulai syuting. Karena film ini bercerita tentang masa lalu Natasha, bagaimana ia pertama kali bertemu Tony Stark dan member S.H.I.E.L.D. lainnya. Dengan membaca komiknya, terlebih dahulu kita dapat banyak gambaran bagaimana memerankan peran kita.
So the time is up. We finally come to an end of this one press conference. It's time for the cast to show maybe an important point of this film, or maybe there are messages you all want to convey to the Indonesian fans.
Hello Indonesia, we apologize because the broadcast schedule for Black Widow has been to be postponed. As we know, we have a lot of Marvel fans in Indonesia. We hope you can be patient. Don't miss the date at 29 April 2021. We will soon be showing at your cinema. You can also watch online at Disney+, Netflix, and any online cinema platform that will be available 6 June 2021. I hope you all stay strong, stay safe, stay healthy. And it's been a hard situation, but I know we can through this situation. Thanks for all support. Don't forget to wear your mask, wash your hands, social distance. Last but not least, have a great day. Love you, Indonesia.
Halo Indonesia, kami mohon maaf karena jadwal siaran Black Widow harus ditunda. Seperti yang kita tahu, kita memiliki banyak sekali penggemar Marvel di Indonesia. Semoga kalian bisa bersabar. Jangan sampai ketinggalan, tanggal 29 April 2021, kami akan segera tayang di bioskop. Anda juga dapat menonton secara online di Disney+, Netflix, dan platform bioskop online apapun yang akan tersedia pada tanggal 6 Juni 2021. Saya harap Anda tetap kuat, aman, sehat di situasi yang sulit ini. Tapi saya yakin kita bisa melalui kondisi ini. Terima kasih untuk semua dukungan. Jangan lupa pakai masker, cuci tangan, jaga jarak, dan yang terakhir, semoga hari Anda menyenangkan. Saya cinta Indonesia.
Well, first, I'm very sad because this film has to be postponed, but we also cannot do anything about it. The best we can do is follow government directives to stay at home. And I also apologize to all of you guys, Marvel's loyal viewers. I know lots of people in Indonesia have been waiting for this film to air, but don't worry, this film will air in 2021 soon. And once again, for my fans in Indonesia, to stay at home, don't go to the crowded places because it will exacerbate the spread of virus. So stay healthy, stay strong, keep supporting us, and see you at the movie.
Pertama, saya sangat sedih karena film ini harus ditunda. Tapi kami juga tidak bisa berbuat apa-apa karena pandemi ini menyebar begitu cepat. Hal terbaik yang bisa kita lakukan adalah mengikuti arahan pemerintah untuk tinggal di rumah. Dan saya juga mohon maaf kepada kalian semua pemirsa setia Marvel. Saya tahu banyak orang di Indonesia sudah menunggu film ini tayang. Tapi jangan khawatir, film ini akan tayang di tahun 2021 sebentar lagi. Dan sekali lagi, untuk fans saya di Indonesia yang tinggal di rumah, jangan pergi ke tempat keramaian karena akan memperburuk penyebaran virus. Jadi tetap sehat, tetap kuat, tetap dukung kami, dan sampai jumpa di penayangan film.
Yes, we always hope the current situations would get better and wish for everyone safe from the virus and those who suffer from it. Wish you all recovery soon. And last, congratulations again. I honestly cannot tell you how excited I am to see the show, and to the viewers, hope this event answers your questions. Thank you so much for Robert and Scarlett, juga untuk para jurnalis Maliza dan Siti Sauda, dan interpreter yang telah bergabung bersama kami, Febri dan Jikistia. I am Fendra Gasvi. Have a great day.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry if there are any mistake in this video. I hope you stay strong, stay safe, and last but not least, and as always, have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
High five.
Bye.
Ah,